Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G502 X Plus. In this video I'll show you how to manage DPI stages. To manage DPI stages, make sure that your mouse is connected with your PC. Go to Logitech G Hub and Sensitivity DPI. Here we've got DPI stages we can select from. Next you can adjust each DPI stage. Sensitivity. To set maximum DPI, simply select it and twist it like this. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.